Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about viruses. Nowadays a very hot topic due to coronavirus, and viruses are very small objects, can only be seen with electron microscope, not with light microscope. Viruses are unable to produce themselves. They need host machinery to reproduce and ultimately kill the cell. Viruses that enter a bacteria are called bacteriophage. So in our labs, E. coli bacteria has been used a lot to test the viruses and conduct many experiments. So let's talk about structure of the viruses. So and their life cycle, how they reproduce. So viruses has head region. So this is head region, and it has a nucleic acid genome in there. It could be RNA or DNA right in here. So this is a shaft area of the structure, and this is the tail region. Tail region has tail fibers. They do attach on a cell surface. Let's see, this is a cell, and this is a bacteriophage that is going to penetrate into the cell or a bacteria, right? So they will in the shaft, this would shrink. So due to the shrinkage, this genome right here, it get injected right in here. Okay, so that's how genome get entered into a host cell. So let's talk about the life cycle of a virus. So let's see, this is the E. coli bacteria, and this is our bacteriophage, and this is our bacterial chromosome. So it already injected its genome in here, and the first thing it does by using the machinery of the bacteria, it kills the chromosome of the bacteria. So this is killed, destroyed. So this chromosome is destroyed, and this one and this virus genome start multiplying inside the cell or a bacteria, and ultimately it reproduces structure, tail and head and all the body inside the host cell, and then it breaks the host cell and released, and it's ready to penetrate another host cell. So that's the lytic. This is called lytic cycle, and the next cycle is called lysogenic cycle. So this is your E. coli bacteria again for experiment purposes, and this is the genome of the bacterial cell, and this is genome of virus. So instead of multiplying right inside the host cell, it becomes part of this host cell chromosome, and this structure is called prophage. It's called prophage. So once bacterial division start occurring right here, multiple copies are produced, and they each have this prophage, which also include that genome of a virus. And some point of time, all these four or how many copies of bacteria that got reproduced, they can go into a lytic cycle. So this can happen right here, and for each of these copies of the bacteria, and cause a lot of problems, and there could be multiple virus released at that point on. So that's it for introduction to the structure of the virus and to life cycle of the virus. Hopefully you enjoy this video. If you like it, subscribe it, thumbs up or leave a comment. Until then, have a good day. See you later.